Let's explore this official GMAT problem. To get the most out of this video, pause the recording now and solve the problem yourself. The correct answer is E. This is a wordy problem, so I'm going to begin by organizing the information. We've got some information about the revenues for November, December, and January. When I say organize the information, many students automatically start writing equations. But wait, that might be useful, but we don't know yet. Take time to scan through the whole problem to see what strategies could work. Notice that we have some fractions in the answer choices. We're not expected to calculate the actual revenues for each month. Actually, we don't have enough information to calculate the actual revenues. Everything in this problem is relative. That opens the door to a more efficient strategy than using equations. I'm going to pick some numbers. For example, if December was 5, November would be 2. It doesn't matter that these numbers aren't realistic. It could be 5 million or 5,000. The important thing is that the relationships are accurate. We know that January is 1/4 of November, so that's going to work out as a half. Oh no, I don't really want to have to deal with fractions here, so I'm going to adjust my numbers. Let's just double them. If I make December 10, then November is going to work out as 4, and January will be 1. That's a little easier to deal with. Now, for the average part. The average of November and January is going to work out as 4 plus 1 over 2. That's 2.5. Okay, I have another fraction here, but I think I can deal with it this time. The question is asking us, the store's revenue for December, that's 10 by my numbers, is how many times the average? That's 2.5 by my numbers. So 10 is 4 times 2.5, and that gets us to answer E. Let's review. I'm going to call this strategy smart numbers, and it works like this. On problems where everything is relative, I'm free to pick convenient numbers. Notice how on this problem, I went back and adjusted my smart numbers to make my process easier. Picking small integers that fit the ratios meant that my calculations were simple. Smart numbers can often be applied to problems involving percentages, ratios, or fractions. The format of the answer choices can provide a good clue. For just about everyone, working with real numbers is quicker and safer than dealing with equations. So this strategy can be a real time saver, as well as one that can help me deal with confusing situations in harder problems. Check out the link below for a follow-up task.